Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making this old jacket, or the small jacket that doesn't fit for me anymore, into a bolero, and a bolero from a jacket the other way around. So guys, I have here my materials. This crochet like fabric, this one, and a lace fabric also, and a scissor, and I'm gonna sew it using this needle and thread. Okay, so guys, let's get started. I will show you how to make it. So guys, I already done this part here. I already done it earlier, and also this side, to make my video short. And I also going to use this crochet like fabric, this one, like this one here, and I'm going to sew it here at the edge. And I'm going to use this lace also for the sleeve here, the puff sleeve here. So that's it guys, and this one is for here at the armpit, this armpit side. I will put this lace in here. Okay, so guys, I will show you how, and I will start now. So guys, I already done sewing this part, this side. It's a side here, and both this one here. Okay, these two sides are already done, so I'm going to start now with this sleeve here. So I'm going to put this sleeve, this one here, like this. Already done the other one, so I will show you this part of the sleeve, like this, putting it like that. So now I will be making this side also. First I have to measure equal size, equal length. So it's here. So it's already done. This one not yet. See, this is gonna be like this for, like this. Okay, so guys, I will be working on this part at the armpit. Okay, so guys, I will be covering these pointed edges with this one, this lace. Okay, I will be folding it like this, and then cover with this lace. So guys, it's already done. See, okay, it's already done here. So I'm going to Guys, this is the bottom part, so I'll be putting this crochet like fabric here all the way there. Okay, so guys, keep on watching. I will be doing it now. So I have to measure. I fold it first, this way. I fold it to measure the equal length. This one here. So this is it. I'm doing back stitching. Guys, I'm on my halfway through and finishing. So guys, this already done until here, so I still have left this one undone. Okay, so I will continue. So guys, I'm about to finish here. Okay guys, I'm done. So okay, so guys, this is how I made my own version of Bolero. This is the back, the side, and the front. Okay, I will try it and I will show you. So guys, this is my own version of Bolero. Okay, so this is best for like when you're wearing spaghetti strap of blouse, and also a t-shirt also can. And so this is it guys. I hope you like it. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it, and please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much guys, and God bless. Bye.